My name is Carlos Garza. I'm with Arca Continental. I'm the Global Manufacturing Maintenance and Digitalization Strategy Manager, and I have been with the company for the last 5 years. Arca Continental is the second largest Coca-Cola bottling company in Latin America and one of the most important in the world. We serve actually around 125 million consumers in our territories. As you can imagine, having 45 manufacturing sites around these 5 different countries involve having also different maturities in terms of technology and data management. So one of the big challenges we want to tackle was having a reliable way of gathering those information to take better and more consistent decisions. There's a lot of people to be impacted in terms of the implementation of digital transformation use cases. So understanding the impact we have on humans that are still part of this loop, it's pretty important, in terms of how we define the steps to move forward. When we were in the process of selecting the correct partner for this journey, we realized that we identified different parameters that were important for us. We want a company that was expert in this matter, that can bring to us new ideas, that can challenge what we're expecting to happen in terms of what we define at that beginning as a digital transformation journey. So Siemens was a perfect match for us in that process. Siemens portfolio of solutions and their expertise of Siemens personnel help us a lot in taking a good decision in terms of which products we can use, why we are using it, and also capitalizing the value of those implementations. Insights Hub make a lot of sense in terms of the predefined solutions that are inside the system, but also the agility of creating new developments with the help of other products as Mendix, for example. So we are using that in a daily basis. We have Insights Hub in around 23 sites out of our 45 sites. So we're looking forward to having this solution in all the sites soon. We used to have a really highly automated process, but poorly connected. So OpsCenter help us to orchestrate the collaboration between our people and our machines in terms of creating more value and having more efficient processes in our system. When we begin the journey of implementation of the solutions of the Siemens portfolio, we receive a lot of help in terms of understanding first why we are willing to do this journey. The expertise that Siemens personnel, the energy that they put in trying to understand our business, in helping us defining which specific products and which use cases we should develop first, was pretty amazing and useful for us. Arca Continental has operations right now in 5 countries. We operate in the US, Mexico, Ecuador, Peru, and Argentina. So we like to implement the lighthouse strategy, so we try to have one excellence center in terms of digital transformation in at least one manufacturing site of each country where we operate. We believe that allows more people to be involved and have like a local, geographically located example, so you can just go and experience what we mean with digital transformation. Right now we have use cases in around the half of our manufacturing centers, but the expectation is to move forward and cover 100% of our 45 manufacturing sites. This is an exciting journey. Just give enough time to strategy, give enough time for having a clear roadmap, and just stick to the plan. That's the advice I could give in terms of our experience in Arca Continental.